Yeah, that looks good. Okay. A traipsing we will go back over, and we're going to turn the water back on. I think you can still see this even though the sun has gone down. We still got a little bit of daylight left. We're going to turn this water back on right here. See, I don't even have to go to the automatic sprinklers inside. I'm going to loosen that up to the left. And I don't want to turn that too far. If I turn it too far, it's going to pop out of there and I may lose it. Okay, so you just want to get it so it's on. And don't unscrew it any further than that. Okay? Okay, let's see what we got. I'm kind of anxious. Okay, we know the water's working. Alright, I got this all covered back up. And I forgot to cover this up right here, so I got to remember to do that before I get done. Here's one little dripper right there. It's dripping off that pipe. See, it's working. There they are. 1 gallon per hour. I leave them there for I usually set these drippers on like 12 minutes or so. There's another one dripping right there. See, it's dripping off the pipe, but it's squirting down, out over there and hitting the bottom of that pipe and coming out. Okay. Now here's our other ones. See, it's wet there. We got her. We got her all right. Man, it looks like we knew what we were doing. A little bit of water in each plant. What were these called again? I always forget what they're called. Begonias. Okay, and interestingly enough, let me set this back up. I'm going to check this end piece out. I'm not sure if this is actually working or not, this end one. Yeah, that one right there. You see, there's nothing coming out of there. And it doesn't... This was an old one, and I reused it. And I was going to see if it worked. And see, it's not dripping out very much. Now, if I decided that's enough for it to go, maybe I'll leave it. But I could take that off and put a brand new one on. Because I got some from the store. Because I knew I only had a few of those left. Okay. And let's see if we can replace that end with the water going on. Okay. It's just going to pour out a little bit. Let's see. It's dripping a little, so I can remember that and use this one for somewhere else at the end of a line. Now I got to pull it off. Okay. Push this up and on. There. See, that's coming out a lot better. And it's funny, the end of this, it's almost like they let you be able to let it go faster at a certain point, but it doesn't seem to work too well. I guess it does. Have it face out this way, it comes out faster. I guess I'm turning a little bit, and it's going just a hair slower. Okay. And I'm going to ultimately have it. That's plenty. Because this is a little bigger. I mean, I could have left that other one on there. Okay. But that's going to saturate this. And I think that'll be fine. That's more though, you know what? That's more for a bush. I think I'm going to take that off. Corporate decision. I'm going to take that off. I thought I could slow it up a little bit more than that, but apparently not. And this one I could take a little wire and kind of poke it in there. But I'm not going to worry about it too much. I mean, it's coming out. See, it doesn't seem... Oh, shoot. I think that's enough. That's enough water coming out of there, don't you think? Okay. Oh. like there's plenty dripping out. There you go. That's how you install drip irrigation to an existing line. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.